Back in our query method, after the params converted, we're going to start if get magic quotes GPC triple equals true. And now what get magic quotes GPC tells us is basically whether the magic quotes is enabled with our PHP installation. Its magic quotes is basically deprecated as of PHP 5.3 and completely removed from PHP as of version 5.4. But we obviously need to do this checking because there are still many servers which are using 5.3 and even 5.2 versions of PHP. So we're checking basically whether the magic quotes exist, are part of our PHP installation, and if they are, we're going to do some coding here. Else, what we're going to do is simply use params converted equals if is array, and we're looking for our params parameter. If they are array, then we simply pass params. Otherwise, we make them array. So we put params inside of the array. Now, inside of the if statement, we're going to start if is array again, params, else params converted equals, actually, sorry, key, no, wrong, no key, params converted array strip slashes and params. We're basically stripping slashes to make sure, but what I wanted to use here is strip C slashes. This is because in this way we going to basically keep all the new line characters, for instance, something like this. Otherwise, if we just used strip slashes, it would remove new line characters as well, and so on. So we're removing all of the octal and hexadecimal representations of the characters and other elements by using strip C slashes rather than strip slashes. Now, if is array params, then for each params as key equals value, and inside of this one we simply go for params converted, and we go for key now equals strip C slashes again, and we pass the value as parameter. And that's pretty much everything when it comes to the magic quotes filtration. Just to let you know, obviously, just to make sure that you know what we've done here, basically we're checking if magic quotes methods function exists. If it does, then we're filtering for it basically by removing any slashes, because what magic quotes does is basically when we have, let's say, single quote, it automatically adds the backslash in front of it. Since they've been removed from version 5.4, obviously we no longer have to be worried about this, and then we simply added this to our params converted straight away. Whether it's array, we just pass the params straight into the array. Otherwise, we convert into the array. Just need to make sure that obviously this is named correctly. Okay, let's move to the next video and continue with our method.